Good day, kids. I am John Milian Abonero, and this is my storytelling about. It's all about the lion and the mouse. Once upon a time, there was a lion and a mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping in the forest, and the tiny mouse ran over his paw and woke him up. And the lion was so angry and catch the mouse and was to eat. And the mouse said, "Please, please, please, don't eat me. Maybe someday I can help you." And the lion was laughed, ha 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 ha. But he let him go and said, "You are lucky, my friend. I was done my I was done my dinner." A few days later, the lion was caught in hunter's net. He roared for help like roar, 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 roar. And the little mouse heard him and ran to the net, and he jumped the ropes until the lion was free. And the morals that we get in these lessons. Remember, even small mouse can do big things. So that's all. Thank you, and God bless you.